6:40 a.m. Baltimore County. This is not a drill. A quiet residential street just turned into a literal war zone. A house is leveled by an explosion, and a gunman is hunting his neighbors in the smoke. These officers are stepping into a nightmare with zero cover and no idea what's waiting for them in the shadows.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Drop the gun, drop the gun, drop the gun! Go, 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 go! Move in, move in! DC! .26, shots fired, subject down.
10 more shots fired, subject down.
Maury and Kelly's. One subject down.
One shooter is down, but the threat is still very real. These officers are holding their line, waiting for more units to arrive before they move in. When you are dealing with a suspect who just leveled a house, you do not take a single step forward without a full team to watch your back.
Where's that? Where's that? Where? Red truck! Red truck! Down! Gun next to him! Gun next to him! Gun on the ground! Come here! Pull him out! Grab his hand, pull him out! I'm coming. Have medics at 2 subjects down.
The threat is gone, but the clock is ticking. This is now a race to save the victims before the fire or their wounds take them. Every second matters.
Simple. We need a couple medics out here. 3 people down. 3 people. Yeah. 28 as of right now, we have the only active shooter. One house is fully engulfed, and we have another one getting on fire now. Huh? As of right now, it's just him. We gotta see who lives in the corner house. Hey, boss! Who lives in this house? Come on, try to get them up. What? I don't know, man. Baltimore County Police! Anybody else in here? Baltimore County Police! Yeah, we got the shooter. Hey, Baltimore County Police! Baltimore County Police! Anybody in here? Let's go! I'm standing right here. I don't know. I'm trying to call out to them. Baltimore County Police! Anybody in here? We get out of here. 1 minute. Yep. Yeah. You all right?
Everton Brown is finally down, but the destruction he caused is staggering. This was not a random attack. Investigators found 4 victims in total. 3 are dead, and 1 is fighting for life. Brown did not just use a gun. He forced his way into a home to stab and shoot his first victim before hunting the others in the street. The fire is not the only hazard here. In one of the vehicles, police discovered homemade explosive devices. This changes everything for the responding officers. They are now working in a potential bomb zone while trying to save survivors. This level of preparation shows a chilling amount of premeditation.